So today we're gonna make the best, and I'm telling you, the best buffalo chicken sandwich you've ever had in your life. And do you know why it's the best? Because I'm redoing the intro because the thing was so darn good, I couldn't even take it. You know, like when you're just full and satisfied and you're so happy you didn't eat fast food? That's this sandwich. It is the best buffalo chicken sandwich you will ever have in your life. So tasty. First thing you gotta do, make the coleslaw. All right, first thing, half a cup of mayo. Now, it's not scalding hot out, but it is warm. I think this is just gonna shoot everywhere. Yep, look at that. It's just shooting everywhere. I knew it would. Uh-oh. I bought more mayo, but I think I got enough. See that? Just it's on this damn thing right here. I knew it was gonna ooze out. Ugh. Ah, for God's sakes. I got another one, but I just want to get everything out of this one. I'm literally just shooting mayonnaise everywhere right now. Oh my God, this is painful. Are you laughing at me? You know what I'm gonna do? I got I got some down in here. I'll get a paper towel or something. I got some of this Japanese mayo. It's a little bit richer than regular mayo. I'm gonna throw that in. Look at that, huh? There you go. That's how I'm going to do that. All right, half a cup of mayo. That's a goner. You don't have to use the Japanese mayo. Just use regular old mayo. I just used it because I ran out and I had that available. Like I said, it's a little bit richer, but no big deal. All right, cleaned her up a little bit. A little tablespoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. I got this organic with the mother, unpasteurized. I don't know. It smells fine. It smells actually a little bit, it smells really vinegary. It smells like it'll taste really good. One of those. All right, then we need, so for the recipe, it'd be about a half a teaspoon of celery seed. I tell you what though, I think celery seed is really pungent, like super takes over the coleslaw. So I'm just gonna do a quarter teaspoon. I think that'll be plenty. Oh yeah, I didn't even use a full quarter. I think that'll be plenty. Half a tablespoon of honey. Ah, dang it. You know what's funny? Is I've had this been sitting upside down for about an hour just to make sure that it was ready to go when I needed it, and then it fell. Oh well, it's okay. So half a tablespoon. Let's say that's about a half tablespoon. Half a tablespoon of mustard. So I'm gonna put about a half a teaspoon of Grey Poupon because it's kind of pungent. So we'll do a half teaspoon of Grey Poupon and then a teaspoon of the coarse ground mustard. It's your coleslaw. Do whatever the hell you want. A little salt and pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. There we go. There's a whisk. Okay. Let me taste it with my extremely clean fingers. Mmm, that is delicious. There's a zing of the acid, the vinegar, and then the creaminess of the mayonnaise. It's good. It's really good. You should make that. All right, let's get the chicken. It's not like scorching hot, but it's warm. I got a couple of chicken breasts, cut them in half. I pounded them out. One was really super small. Before I do that, I want to tell you about this seasoning. This is a Cajun seasoning. It's the greatest Cajun seasoning you'll ever have in your life. The only place you can get it is two places. A place called Snow and Crab. It's a restaurant here in Temecula that does crawfish. But the other place where they get it is Winco. If you have a Winco near you, you can go to the bulk place. You can get some of this. It's cheap, super cheap. I went there today, but because of the lockdown, they're not doing bulk. So I went to the restaurant and gave him $2 for this. So my son doesn't like the Cajun, doesn't like it too hot. Neither does my girlfriend, so I'm only gonna do one of them hot. We'll do one of them. I got 4 here. Here's a little teeny tiny one. But I pounded them so that they're all about the same thickness. I'll do that one. I'll do this one Cajun. I'll do all of these regular. And then if I want another one, I can do Cajun later. Do you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? All right, so these ones just get salt and pepper. A little salty, salty, salt, salt, salt. Actually, I'll put a little salt on this one too. A little pepper. Actually, I'm gonna put salt and pepper on all of them. And then this one, the greatest one, gets this Cajun seasoning. Oh, Billy, Billy, Billy. That's gonna get a lot. I like it. I like it. It's so good. If you like Cajun seasoning, get yourself to Winco and get this stuff. It's ridiculous how good it is. And then we'll put it right on the grill. Grill's been preheating. Oh yeah. Get that on there. Load her up. That's gonna be so tasty. I can't even wait. All right, let's put it on the grill. All right, little one back here. My hot spot is right here. Up top is my hot spots. So I'm gonna put the big ones up there. Put the smaller ones down here. And let me go get some butter because I forgot that. Look at that. I almost made it an episode without forgetting something. And I forgot the butter. So if you're playing the drinking game, drink. All right, it's been a couple minutes. Look at this one's almost completely done. They're all almost completely done. It's been like 2.5 minutes and they're all, uh-oh. Red dog. Red dog. That one's almost done. They're all pretty much almost done. It'll probably only take a minute or two on this side. Woo! That's the one right there, boy. That looks fantastic. These won't take but another minute or two. Let me get the slaw going. See, this came together too fast. I don't have any time. Oh, I forgot a spoon. God damn it. Bag coleslaw. I'm lazy. Like I said, you can make your own. Get this going, because that chicken's almost done. Let's do that much. Yeah, there you go. And then I want to throw, just to get a little color in there, make it pretty, I'm going to throw a little bit of the broccoli slaw in there. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just a little color. All right, good, 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 good. All right, now just take some of this dressing we had. Wish I had a bigger spoon. Wish I could not hit the side every time I try to. All right, that should be plenty. Get our tongs here. Mix it up. That looks good, huh? I think so. Let's taste for seasoning. Mmm. That's really good. Okay. That's done. Forgot another bowl. I need another bowl to toss chicken. Oh my God. That's 2 shots. My God, my drink melted, so I need to slam it. So we're gonna roast a couple buns, brioche. Get brioche buns. I think that's pretty key for this sando. Butter up the old buns. Here, let's get them on here. We just want to toast these up. Just want a little bit of crunch on the bottom. So we'll get those going. All right, that one's done. Is that one done? Nope, not yet. This one's probably done. Oh yeah, that's done. Is this one done? Oh, that's done. All right, Billy. Let's get this one out of the way. This is for you, buddy. That one's almost done. Okay, let's set these over here. All right, here we go. We're gonna put some, here's what I like to do. The Frank's Original, okay? So just put it in here, dip it all around. That's good to go. Let's get our coleslaw and pickles. So to put this bad boy together, I wish I had some like a fork would be cool. All right, pickles down. Shake that off. Put her on. Oh, that's gonna be delicious. A little coleslaw on top. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my God. Tell me that doesn't look amazing. Put that back on there, that big bad boy. Let's cut her in half, get a little cross shot. All right, here we go. Let me get this out of the way. The, what do we call this? The buffalo chicken coleslaw sando. I don't know. Okay. It's really good. I get the spice from the Cajun big time. My first bite, I didn't wait long enough, thinking that I needed more spice. That Cajun seasoning is kind of kicking my butt right now, making me sniffle. The pickle, the acidity, against the creaminess of the coleslaw, and against the hot of the saucy sauce, that's really, 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 really good. Oh my gosh, you should cook this. This you should definitely cook. If I didn't forget everything, we would have been done an hour ago. But every time after we'd stop shooting, I forgot something. Had to go back in and get it. Anyways, it's awesome. Cook this. Oh, subscribe, thumbs up, ding-a-ling, ding, ding, ding. Oh, we have 51 subscribers. We need 949 more. So subscribe. There you go.